Teach anything, anytime, anywhere online and get paid in naira or any currency you are using in your country. So you can teach online on this particular website and then get paid. You can literally teach anything that you feel like people actually want to learn. You can be a fashion designer, you can be a teacher, you can be a financial analyst, you can be a chef, or anything that you feel like you can teach, you are good at. You can actually teach people on this website, and they have over 23,000 students on this particular website, and it is one of the largest community, one of the largest tutoring platform in Africa. But before we go on, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. And if you are new here and you want to be getting my notification for my new videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section. So let's dive into the video fully. So welcome to the screen of my phone. So the name of the site is tutorial.com, and you become a tutor and earn money teaching what you love. It's not a must for you to teach only mathematics or English or any subject. It is what you love. You can, if you are a baker, if you are a chef, if you know how to teach on about how to dance, or anything that you know that you can actually teach online that will let people earn money, or they want to learn more about it, so you can come to this site and then apply for it, sign up as a tutor and start making money for yourself. You can see with tutorial you can teach students online or around your area. It is not even only online alone. Like if that person you want to teach is around you, then you can actually go and teach the person and fit lessons into your schedule. Simply take up jobs, deliver great lessons and get paid. It is that easy, and it is proudly Africa's most trusted tutoring platform. You can see everything is here, so you can teach anything anytime online. You can see even in Yoruba tutor is on this site. We have financial analysis tutor, a financial analyst. We even have a swimming tutor here. Like there's nothing you cannot teach. If you are into hairdressing, if you are into fashion designing, anything that you know that it is bringing money for you and you really have passion for teaching it, then you can actually come on this website and teach people. And it is the largest community tutoring platform in Africa. They've already teach people, like they've already paid people on this site, and then they have like longest lessons, like hours. Yeah, you can actually teach people. So all what you have to do is to sign up, which is free. It is free, and then you can teach anytime, anywhere, and then you can attend their training webinars. You collect reviews and get tips to upgrade your skills here. And there is amazing support. You can see it from Adewale. He is a mathematics and test prep tutor. He said it has been wonderful experience working with tutorial and the numerous clients I have had. The tutor webinars and various workshops have further enhanced my proficiency on the job. You can see, like, on this site now, they organize webinars. You can actually improve your teaching skills on this site, and then you can earn close to 100k per month on this site. Let me show you just so you can see a certified phonics tutor here. We have people that are really making money on this site, and you are going to teach like a pro. So all what you have to do is to sign up, which is free and very easy to create subject on tutorial. Simply complete an application, add subject you wish to teach, take a quick test. They are going to test you, then describe your expertise and start receiving tutoring jobs relevant to you. They are going to, it's not as if you just be getting jobs like that, but you'll be getting jobs that are relevant to the subjects that you want to teach on the website. So you get paid and you start flexing. Then let us go to the FAQ. Before you can apply on this tutorial, you must be up to 18 years old. You must be 18 years old or older, and then you must have the ability and the willingness to work on this particular website, and you must be very brilliant and have impressive academic or professional track records. Does not matter, as far as you are good in what you are doing. So, and you can teach any subject. You can see what subjects can I teach. We support over 200 subjects on tutorial, from phonics to maths to German to GMAT to IELTS to ACCA, even ICANN. You can teach it yet. You can even teach NECO. You can teach WAEC subject, GC. You can teach anything that you feel like okay you have passion for. Then come to this website. You can teach. Can I apply outside Nigeria? Majority of our clients will be from Nigeria, so you must account for the time difference. So you will need a naira denominated Nigerian bank account to collect payment like Payoneer then. So it is free. Is it free to become a tutor? Yes, it is free to become a tutor. Create your profile, get clients and all that. And how much can you earn on this site? You can earn, I told you that you can earn close to 100k. You can earn 40,000 naira to 300,000 naira per month, depending on your availability, the demand for subject and location. And once you are approved, you can start receiving jobs that match your profile. So you cannot be expecting okay you'll be getting jobs anytime like that, because every job they post will be relevant to your profile. No, it is what is relevant to your profile. If somebody needs a mathematics teacher now and you are into English um language, so you cannot expect that job to be relevant to your own profile. So you have to wait till when you get someone that needs English tutor. So that is when you start making money for yourself, and then you get paid. And if you need any question you want to ask, just go to the site and earn money for yourself. People are really making money from this site. Apart from Tutorial too is a great platform where you can earn lots of money. So let me know what you feel about this video. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.